Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aman Kumar and you are watching Employment Gyan channel. So guys, in this video session, I'm going to show you the welcome kit of basically HCL. If you are making a plan to work in HCL, so what kind of laptop you are going to get and what is the complete process for that. So I'm going to show you the complete welcome kit basically. Okay, and if you are interested, so please watch this video till to the end and you are going to get a great value. Let's start it guys. So I just want to show you, this is a laptop basically. And it's a new laptop basically which I got from HCL. It's a ThinkPad, Lenovo ThinkPad, you can see, and it's a very thin laptop. So how it's open, I just want to show you. See guys, this is the laptop which I got from HCL. Generally HCL providing guys three kind of laptop which I have seen in while working of 4 months. The first one is Acer and the second one is Acer, HP and Lenovo. These three kind of laptop basically generally they are offering. And the mouse, this is a kind of a mouse which you are going to get. Okay, this is a totally new mouse actually which I have never opened yet. So you can see this is a kind of a welcome kit basically. And I also have a charger, and this is in first floor. I am on second floor right now. So these are the kind of a welcome kit you are going to get basically once you got selected in HCL. Okay guys, so if you have any kind of questions regarding selection process in HCL, how you can join the HCL, and is really the undergraduate can join the HCL or not. So if you have any kind of question and confusion in your mind, so you can directly ask me in a comment section related to the salary issue, salary structure, whatever you have a question, you can directly ask me. I will try my level best guys to reply your each and every questions. Okay, thank you again for watching this video, and please guys subscribe to my channel. You are watching my channel but nobody is subscribing me, so please subscribe to my channel so that you will get a regular update which I'm uploading the videos. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching this video. Thank you.